Most Oral-B electric toothbrushes include a built-in timer system designed around dentist recommendations. When you press the power button, a 2-minute countdown begins automatically. This matches the standard brushing time advised by dental professionals for effective plaque removal. Many models also include a quad pacer feature, which gently pulses every 30 seconds to remind you to move to a different section of your mouth. By the end of 2 minutes, you've covered all four quadrants evenly. Entry-level models keep things simple with a fixed timer that runs automatically. Mid-range versions may allow you to toggle the quad pacer on or off using button combinations. Premium IO models take it further by connecting to the Oral-B app, where you can customize brushing duration, adjust quadrant timing, and track session history. Some models even provide real-time coaching and pressure monitoring through the app interface. Whether you're using a basic or advanced model, the timer system ensures consistent brushing habits and better overall oral hygiene with minimal effort.